Hello Astrid, hello Dana. Today we're gonna study vocabulary and we're gonna practice the pronunciation of the numbers. Pronunciation of the numbers in English. First, number 1. 1. Repeat 3 times. 1. 1. 1. 2. Number 2. 2. Listen. 3. 3. 3. 4. 4. 4. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9. 9. Let me change right here something. Sorry. It's the pronunciation of this is 9. 9. And 10. That's number 10. Okay. Now we're gonna continue. We have 11. 11. 11. 12. 12. 12. Lesson, this is very important. 13. 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. 15. 15. 15. 16. 16. 16. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. Listen. 20. 20. After 20, we have 21, 22, 23, 25, 24, 25, and so on and so on. And we get to number 30. Listen. 30. 30. Let me help you practice this. This is number 30. Okay? After 30, we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and so on and so on. Then we have 40. 40. It is not 14. 14. No. This is for 14. Okay? 14. And this is 40. 40. This is 30. 30 right here. 30. I'm sorry. And this is 13. 13. Okay? Is different numbers. Okay. 40. After 40 we had 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and so on and so on until we get to 50. 50 is this number. 50. Sorry. 50. It is not 15. This is 15. This is 15. Okay? This is number 15. 50, 15. Okay? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and so on and so on. And then we have 60. I'm sorry. 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and so on and so on. Then we have 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, and so on and so on. This number is 70. Right here. 70. Remember, it is not 17. 17. This is 17. I'm sorry, no. 17. 17 and 70. Two different numbers. This is 80. Number 80. Sorry. 80. Then we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and so on and so on. After 80, we have 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, and so on until we got to 100. Okay? 100. Repeat after me. 100. This is number 100. Okay? Excellent. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on Friday. Okay? Bye.